Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am back with another great video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make Vuforia video playback with cloud recognition. For this, we need to have some sort of API that provide us with the video URL on any recognized image. We can have a very complex system where we can have a database and we have a set of APIs over it, and we have a dashboard from where we add cloud images and we add the corresponding videos over there, and we have another API to which we provide the cloud ID and it returns us the video URL of that cloud image. But for now, I am just going to use a mock API from mocky.io and get a mock URL. So I have a video URL from Google Drive and I am going to add it over here in the body. This URL is the direct download URL, and if I open this in the browser, it will directly download the video. For those of you who will use Google Drive for this purpose, make sure you have the exact download link of the video. So let's go and click generate my HTTP response. It will give us a mock link. If we open this link, we will see that this link always returns this video URL. So we can use this URL and make an HTTP call from our Unity to it to get the video URL. So copy from here and let's go back to our Unity. I am going to continue the old AR video project that I have shown you guys, but I am going to just change the video player and change the source from video clip to URL. Now what I am going to do is I am going to open the simple cloud handler script that I have wrote and open it in Visual Studio. Here, as you see, we have the own new search result function. Here inside this if statement, we have to call our API and get the video URL. So let's create a www request and paste our URL over here. Now let's just put a while loop. So www dot is done. We are going to just wait till this is not done, so we have to put an exclamation mark behind this. So we will wait until this becomes true, so overall statement gets false and the while loop ends. And here string video URL equals to www dot text. So again, you guys can change this to your own API and you can pass the cloud image ID from this target result and get the result from the API. So now this is the video URL we have which is stored on the server. Now we have to change the video URL of the video player component attached to this quad object. So to do that, we have to have a reference of this quad object and the reference of this video player somehow. So if you guys notice that in our cloud recognition handler, we are already having the image target template object reference, which is this. So we have the image target behavior reference, so we can get the transform of this object through this component, and from that we can get the child quad or we can do a search of video player component in our code, like I am going to do right now. So the new image target dot get component in children and pass the video player over here, and we need to have the reference to the video player, which is unity engine dot video. Now we can set the URL of this component. URL equals to video URL that we got from our API. With this little change, you can play video from your server on your cloud image target, and if you change this API with your own custom API where you pass the cloud target ID and get the corresponding video URL.